Infusionsoft, Keap Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. If you're considering a marketing automation tool, Infusionsoft, now branded as Keap, offers an all-in-one solution for small businesses looking to streamline operations and enhance customer engagement. Keap excels in providing robust features like email marketing, lead capture, CRM, and advanced automation workflows. Designed specifically for entrepreneurs, coaches, and small business owners, Keap aims to help you save time while delivering personalized customer experiences. One standout feature is its drag-and-drop campaign builder, allowing users to create highly customizable and automated marketing funnels. From email sequences triggered by user actions to automated follow-ups based on lead behavior, the platform's flexibility makes it a game changer. Keap also offers robust CRM capabilities, enabling you to track every interaction with your leads and customers, segment them effectively, and target your messaging. Another strong suit is its appointment scheduling and invoicing tools, which seamlessly integrate with marketing campaigns. You can set up reminders, book client meetings, and even send invoices, all without switching platforms. Plus, integrations with tools like QuickBooks, Zapier, and WordPress extend its functionality, making it a great hub for centralizing your operations. While the features are powerful, Keap does have a learning curve, especially for beginners. The interface is feature-rich, which can feel overwhelming at first, but Keap provides excellent onboarding resources, tutorials, and customer support to get you up to speed. Additionally, the pricing is higher compared to other tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, so it's best suited for businesses that are ready to invest in a comprehensive solution to scale operations. In terms of performance, Keap is reliable, with minimal downtime, and its reporting tools provide valuable insights into campaign effectiveness, conversion rates, and ROI. However, advanced users might find some analytics tools a bit basic compared to enterprise-grade solutions. If you're looking for a platform to grow and manage your customer base while automating repetitive tasks, Infusionsoft Keap is worth considering. It's ideal for those who need more than basic email marketing and are ready to harness the power of automation to scale their business. Overall, Keap delivers on its promise to simplify marketing while improving productivity.